Suan ning ing. What bird do you see? This is review for birds too. Ye suan ning ing. Repeat the question after me. Ye suan ning ing. Thai shine ni ing. I see a golden eagle looking at me. Thai shine ni ing. Repeat the answer after me. Thai shine ni ing. Shothan. Chishu, say it again. Thai shine ni ing. All right. So, Thai means golden eagle. Shan means me. Ne'i means it sees. Ni'i means I see. So, repeat each word after me. I'll pause. Thai. Shne'i. Ni'i. Shotan. Let's do the whole sentence once more, repeating after me. Thai shne'i ni'ing. Shotan. Next slide. Ye tsuan ning ing. Ntung eli ni'ing. Ntung means a ruffed grouse. Eli means that one is dancing. Ni'ing means I see. Dohon, I want you to repeat the sentence after me. Ntung eli ni'ing. Shotan, Chishu, I want you to really focus on this TTH glottal in the middle here. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Ntung eli ni'ing. All right. Now the cool thing about the bird ntung is ntung almost sounds what it sounds like when it's doing its dance. So, one more time, repeating the whole sentence after me. Ntung eli ni'ing. Shotan. Next one. Ye tsuan ning ing. Ji eli ni'ing. Ji means grouse. Eli means it's dancing. Ni'ing means I see. Now, these two tsua, these two birds look really similar, but I want you to look at its tail feathers. You'll notice the G has a solid dark brown color, a genthu progeniture, followed by a genthu dathoa, a light brown, orangish kind of color. Whereas if we go back to the ntung, you'll notice that the ruffed grouse's tail feather has a bunch of little lines on it. Now these tsua are both pictured in the springtime. In the wintertime, the ntung has a light gray and white and black tail feather, whereas the G, the grouse, still has the same kind of looking ushe, its tail feather. So, repeating this sentence after me. Ji ali ni'ing. Chishu, ji ali ni'ing. All right, one more time. Ji ali ni'ing. Shora. Next one. Ye tsuan ning ing. Kama yo kai na that ni ing. All right. So, repeating kama. Kama means a ptarmigan. Repeating yo. Yo means snow. Repeating kai. Kai means on. Repeating na that. Na that means that one is standing. Repeating ni ing. Ni ing means I see. So repeating the whole sentence after me. Kamba yo kai na that ni ing. Alright, Shotan, repeating it again. Kamba yo kai na that ni ing. Shora, one more time. Kamba yo kai na that ni ing. Shotan. Ye tsua ning ing. Ga shayal nat al ni ing. Okay, so ga shayal means, who remembers what it means? All right, it's a northern harrier. So ga shayal is a northern harrier together, but ga by itself means an Arctic hare or a rabbit. Shayal means it goes around snaring them or capturing them. So the main food for a northern harrier, according to Dasho, to our elders, would typically be ga. All right. So ga shayal means a northern harrier. Nut al means it's flying. That one is flying along. And ni ing. All right. Ni ing means I see. So repeating each word after me. Ga shayal nut al ni ing. All right. Now repeating the sentence after me. Ga shayal nut al ni ing. All right, Sho-san. Chishu, repeating the sentence after me. Ga shayal nut al ni ing. Shora, one more time. Ga shayal nut al ni ing. Sho-san, kahu nachu.